where I present to you our newest innovative kitchen product that makes your cooking and entertaining experience easier and more fun. One of the most essential tools of any kitchen is the cutting board. There's practically no meal that you cook that doesn't involve using one. The Kitchen Gizmo cutting board has amazing features that you will not find on any other cutting board. For starters, this is a large, two-sided cutting board. It can be used equally with the same qualities on both sides. The board has Sous screws, which catches any juice and prevents it from messing up your countertop. It's flexible, allowing you to bend the board if needed. For example, if you need to pour out contents. Now look at this. I'm going to slice up this steak on the board, and you'll notice that there are no scratch marks after each use. That prevents bacteria from forming in the scratches. Just pouring even cold water over the surface will eliminate almost 60% of the bacteria. Washing it in boiling water removes 99.9%. There are 3 colors available of the two-toned cutting boards, and these boards are FDA approved, BPA free, and completely dishwasher safe. This may be the last cutting board you'll ever need to buy. I'm Holly with another Kitchen Gizmo product highlight. Join us next time for another fantastic, innovative kitchen product. Rotary dial phones and VHS tapes. That's because I would like to present to you the Snap-In Strain by Kitchen Gizmo. So many advantages to this innovative product. First, it easily clips on like this to a pot, pan, or basically any type and size of cookware, and it only takes up a fraction of the space that a colander requires, which is great if you have limited storage space in your kitchen, and who doesn't? As unwieldy as a colander is, the Snap-In Strain is easy and simple to use, even one-handed. It's also dishwasher safe, FDA approved, and BPA free. This is a product that just makes sense. I'm Holly with another Kitchen Gizmo product highlight. Join us next time for another fantastic, innovative kitchen product. Where I present to you our newest innovative kitchen product that makes your cooking and entertaining experience easier and more fun. Today, I'm excited to tell you about a product that will definitely change the way you prepare your meals. The Kitchen Gizmo Sous Vide machine. Now, if you're not familiar with Sous Vide, it's a method of food preparation that cooks food in a very unique way. It works by clamping onto any pot or even a container with water. Inside this is a powerful and precise heating element that heats up the water, and then the water gets circulated through this hole. What this does is ensure your food gets cooked evenly and to perfection. You'll see the LED screen light up with the temperature measured in Fahrenheit, and below that is the timer display. The accuracy of the temperature and timing settings ensure that the food never gets over or underdone. If you need to work in Celsius, simply press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. The sleek scroll wheel is used to change settings, such as the temperature and time. This Sous Vide appliance is well made, with a great feeling ergonomic grip. There's also a safety feature that when there's no water, it turns off automatically. The sleeve is detachable for easy cleaning. The ETL certification assures you that this product has been tested and is safe to use. So let's get cooking. I've prepared this steak with my favorite spices and herbs and placed everything in this bag. Be sure to remove the air from the bag. I'm setting the temperature to 138 degrees Fahrenheit and we'll cook the meat for 60 minutes. Once it starts, there's no need to monitor the cooking. It can be set and left alone. I made a medley of vegetables with the Sous Vide machine for my side dish. Look at how amazing this food turned out. I can't wait to dig in. By the way, the Kitchen Gizmo Sous Vide machine comes with both a cooking guide filled with fantastic recipes and a temperature guide. Available in red, gray, and blue. This is a fantastic addition to your kitchen that will forever change the way you view a home-cooked meal. I'm Holly with the Kitchen Gizmo Sous Vide machine. Join us next time for another fantastic, innovative kitchen product.
Anova Precision Cooker, the redesigned model of our best-selling signature Sous Vide Immersion Circulator. Powerful enough to cook a meal for the whole family. Cook from anywhere with Wi-Fi connectivity and the Anova app. The removable adjustable clamp will fit any cooking pot or container. The Anova Precision Cooker is easy to use. Place your food in a sealable bag. Set your Anova Precision Cooker to the desired time and temperature using the manual controls or the Anova app. Place your sealed food into the pot. Anova will let you know when your food has reached edge-to-edge perfection. When cooking protein, finish with a quick sear for the desired texture. The Anova Precision Cooker is built to last, with a splash-proof body. The removable clamp and metal skirt are dishwasher safe. Cook like a pro from your own kitchen with the Anova Precision Cooker. Perfect results every time.